Hola, good morning. Once again, this is Elsie, and I'm back for another reaction. We gonna react to Sean, one of the kiddie hopefuls. Yeah, he's one among the 6 grand finalists going to the final showdown next week, and he's gonna be singing the song Himala, originally by the River Maya. This song actually is very popular among OPM lovers, both here in the Philippines and abroad. Yeah, and was even covered by different artists with different versions. Yeah, so I'm excited to hear a version from Sean. Yeah, because I have many versions in the past, so it's kind of exciting to see a version from Sean. Yeah, so with that being said, guys, let's all watch this and see how would Sean do his version going to the final showdown next week. Yeah, come on, Devin. Let's watch together. Come on, let's go. Okay, there you go. Sean. Lamig ng boses niya. Ang ganda ng boses niya sa low notes. Oh, wow. Nice. Regine. Nakaka-project siya ng boses. Oh, ang emotion. Ganda. Oh, wow. Ba, standing ovation na siya kay JK. Tumayo na si Judge JK. There you go. Oh, wow. Nice voice. Oh, okay. May backup siya. Mataas na nota yun ah. Okay. Ang galing niya rin mag-ano ng emotion. Oh, wow. Nice. Wow. Speechless. Ang taas ng nota sa bandang dulo ng kanta. Yeah, akala ko mabibitin siya, but then, he nailed it. Yeah. He nailed it with flying colors. Yeah, actually, naabot niya yung mataas na nota ng malinis. Mind-blowing, jaw-dropping, so to speak. Yeah, actually, isa si Sean sa gustong-gusto kong panoorin among the kiddie hopefuls. Yeah, ang galing niya. Powerful ang boses, malinis, both the lower and the higher notes. Yeah, malamig sa tainga ang boses niya at ang confident niyang mag-perform. Yeah, akala ko nga magiging viewer's choice siya eh. Pero, well, ganyan talaga. At least naman nakapasok. He's a good storyteller through a song actually. You feel the emotions, and as well as a beautiful song. Yeah, I like this version. One of the best version that I've heard. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're watching now, please subscribe and comments where you're watching from para alam ko kung hanggang saan ang narating ng video ito. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.